Don't want to discover that other people pass your photos off as their own? There is a great way to protect your images from stealing. Watch this video and learn how to make a watermark for photos using PhotoWorks, an easy-to-use photo editor. Let's get started. Open your photo in PhotoWorks. Switch to the Text and Frames tab and choose Watermark. Type in your text. It can be your name or the name of your company. Set the font, its size, and style. Next, pick the color of your watermark. Adjust the opacity to make sure the watermark is semi-transparent and doesn't spoil the picture. If necessary, use the angle slider to rotate it. Select the fill type. Use a single watermark, repeated in rows, or arrange in a checkerboard pattern. If you choose single watermark, a grid will appear below where you can select the location of your watermark. If you choose rows or a checkerboard arrangement, you can adjust the fill density. Apply the changes right away or save the template for further use. Need to watermark several photos? Hit the Batch Processing button and upload your files. Go to the Text and Frames tab and choose Watermark. Switch to the Templates tab and select the template you saved before. The watermark will appear on all photos at once. That's all. Now you know how to create your own watermark. Download PhotoWorks and protect your images in mere minutes.